gonna drive this thing home. So, but we gotta add some fluids to it. Gotta add gasoline because it was on E, some coolant, and a little bit of oil, and we got that stuff. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, we're gonna use this because this thing leaks. But this is like a good old type of gas can because, you know, it doesn't have all that crazy contraption that a lot of them have. But this one does leak because the gasket is wore out on it. So we're gonna use this funnel. You know, the thing about, you know, doing gas like this, you always get it on yourself. So you smell fumey for a while. And of course I got my Sunday best on. I'm gonna try that nozzle. It may leak, but it's not gonna leak like that is. Oh yeah, that's better. Gas looks like water. Definitely doesn't smell like it. So this takes a special kind of antifreeze. Universal. About a half a gallon load. Come on, drink it up. And all we have to do is top off the oil now. So today, I brought my son's jump box because last time it just didn't have any, it didn't even have a charge on it. So let's see if this thing's actually worth it. Hey, Bay, go ahead and get in there. Remember, put it in neutral. Clutch all the way in. That's what battery is dead. Let's see, how much of a charge this thing? Now I charge this thing up and it says it's on low. And do it again. All right, stop. Okay, we can do one or two things. I'm tempted to push it and just jump it, right? You know, pop the clutch. Or we can just hook cables up to it. Want to bring the van around? Now, I've never used this one to jump anything with. I'm assuming, oh yeah, it's got a jump spot. So, here's the negative. And here's the positive jump spot. Wait. Oh, there it is. Look at this. Come here. So, the battery's hidden. Look, they left a little peg out there so you can use it to jump. Isn't that cute? Or thoughtful, at least. Okay. All right, Balin. All right, let off the clutch. Make sure it's in neutral.
It is.
Okay. Great. Just let it slowly come up till you start hearing it grab. The clutch.
The clutch?
Let the clutch come up slowly, and when you start feeling it grab, a little slower. Slower!
What? You told me.
See if it cranks.
Hang on, I gotta get out first.
No, just crank. Great. Okay, don't stall it again. First, now when it's, get your foot on the gas a little bit. Okay, now bring it up. When it starts stalling out, give it a little gas. You're in gear. Get off the clutch.
I am off.
Okay, just pull out to the road.
This thing's so rough.
Pull out to the road. Okay, now get straightened out. Give it gas. You put the clutch in and shift to second. Get off the gas.
Yeah.
Put your clutch all the way in. Second, give it gas.
This
Go.
is confusing.
Go.
I am.
Go.
It's pressed all the way
Well,
down.
because you waited so long to shift. You'll have this down like nothing in no time. You just gotta learn where that clutch is. Every time you shift, you get off the gas, you push the clutch down, you shift, and then bring the clutch back up, okay? All right, go to third now. shift. Stop fighting it.
Stop fighting.
I need the clutch in. Okay, now. I was thinking, why isn't this thing going in gear? Anytime you shift, you got to keep your foot on the clutch while you're shifting. Okay. Now we're going to go to fifth. So clutch in, off gas. Now. Didn't that go a lot smoother?
Yeah.
Okay. You'll get it. Now that all you gotta do is just keep it straight. And don't go 65 like you're doing now. Slow it down. All right, there you go. Well, other than shifting, what do you think so far?
Good.
Okay, now when we go to stop up here, we're going to throw it in neutral, and then halfway through the turn, we're going to stick it in second. So you can let off the gas. You're slowing down. Put your turn signal on. Okay, I'm going to take it right out. You don't even have to hit the clutch to get it out of gear. Okay. All right, start hitting the clutch.
Clutch?
Hit the clutch all the way down. Keep it down. Slow down with your brake. Shift to second. Get off the clutch.
Woo! What the heck is
You'll get a hold of it eventually.
Yeah, but why does it kick so much?
Because you just popped it. You didn't just smooth it into there. Okay, we're going to go to third now. Very good. That was better.
That one?
See, you're getting it. Now, when we come up to the gate, you're going to be on the clutch, holding it down. We're going to throw it in neutral, and then you can just brake like normal. Go ahead and get it out of gear. Okay. And then you can just hold on the brake. You don't even have to hold on the clutch. Okay, I want you to put it in first with the clutch in. Give it a little gas.
I stalled it, dagging again.
Well, we made it in one piece, and he's washing it down. All right, follow. We'll keep doing things with this. Get the exhaust leak fixed. Get a paint job because, mercy, it needs one. And what else? Get the AC running. What else have we got to do? We found out the horn needs work on. I thought that was, the clutch, yes. So if you want to see more of this and see on this project truck for my son, just like and subscribe. Mailman Mechanic.
Yeah, the man box.